What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today, this is another What Sold video. What's up, everybody? My name's Dave. If you haven't checked out my channel before, if it's the first time here, I'm an online reseller. I go by the login of Davy Stew. That's DAVI_STEW on YouTube. I make videos very irregularly, but I make them about the things that I've sold on eBay. So I'm a thrifter, a reseller. I go to places like Goodwills and other thrift stores, garage sales, Facebook Marketplace, and sometimes do some retail arbitrage, Walmart, Ross, Marshalls, places like that. I buy things at a low price, or what I believe to be a low price, and then I resell them for market value on those other platforms such as Facebook Marketplace or eBay, primarily eBay. This is going to be a quick video about the last few things that sold. Okay, so getting right into this. First item is a handcrafted coffee mug. This is a Jamaican themed coffee mug. I am not someone that's in the game of coffee mugs, and I am going to be getting out of them. Once everything that I have sells, I'm done, I'm out, I can't stand it. This mug, I found it for, I believe, 50 to 75 cents. It sold for $10 free shipping. I ended up being able to get it out for, I believe, under £1. So it shipped for approximately $4. So call it $5 all in, sold for 10 bucks. Gave myself $5 after fees, or before fees and taxes and everything else are taken out. So some money to be made on my 50-cent investment for sure, but with the amount of space it takes up and how long it sat, this sat for probably close to a year now. So I'm moving on from mugs once I sell. I think I have maybe 10 more. After that, I'm done. Next item is a used right-handed ping GSF Tech 10 driver. It's a lot of things to say. This is an awesome find. I ended up finding this on Facebook Marketplace. A lady had it listed for, I believe, $125 to $150. I reached out and asked if she'd be willing to take $100 for the club. She said, "Yep, absolutely, that's fine." I met up with her, I believe, the next afternoon. Paid her $100. Listed the club about 2 days later, and within 24 hours it sold for full asking price of $199, and the buyer paid shipping. So I took $100, turned it into an additional $90 in profit on top of that. So pretty cool there. Next item is a Berkey water filter. So this is something that I ended up not selling on eBay. I had it listed on eBay, but I listed it on eBay and Facebook Marketplace because I knew this is the type of item that would sell great locally, but I wanted to increase my chances. So this is a Berkey water filter system. I believe this was a 2-gallon. It was approximately 18 inches tall by about 8 inches wide. I found it for $30 at a Goodwill. Anybody knows anything about Berkey water filters, brand new, these things go for in upwards of 300, 400, sometimes more a piece. And this thing was in really great condition. It was used, but it was in great condition. Listed it for, I believe it was a $200 asking price on Marketplace, and it was about a $225 asking price on eBay. Somebody reached out on Marketplace and said, "Hey, would you take $150? I said yes, because $30 into $150 is still a good chunk of change. So met up with the guy. He was a little bit late. He was an older gentleman, couldn't find the place. Had a funny conversation back and forth, but ultimately I made over $120 off of the sale. So I was pretty excited. Next item is a Raintree Country VHS, brand new, sealed in the package. It's a Elizabeth Taylor movie. It's a box set of 2 VHSs. I found this in a Goodwill. I believe they only charged me $2 for this, if I'm not mistaken. Sold it for $19.50 free shipping. Cost me about $4 to ship out. Easy money. Next item is a Walter Hagen MS2 titanium driver. This is a 10.5 degree regular flex. It's a men's right-handed club. This is one of the clubs that I found at a local thrift. Actually, I believe it was a Goodwill for about $3.99. Ended up selling it for $22.50 plus shipping. So wasn't a ton of profit, but I will take $3 and turn it into 20 to 25 all day long if I can. And golf clubs have been selling pretty decent for me lately. Next item is a Philips personal CD player, or a Walkman style CD player. It's with anti-skip, bass boost, all that good stuff. Tested it, it worked. Found this for about $2, sold it for $22 free shipping. Only cost me somewhere around $4.50 or $5 to ship out. Next item is a TaylorMade burner, super fast 2.0, 9.5 degree driver. Has a stiff Reax handle, and it's a 4.8 graphite handle. This was one of the clubs that I believe I found for $8.99 at a local church thrift. And when I saw sold comps as I was looking it up, I realized this had the potential to sell for some pretty good profit. And yeah, sold for full asking price of $125 flat plus shipping. So great profit on this. Next item are a lot of 4 Disney magnets. So I found a bag full of magnets, over 50 to 60 magnets total. And I decided to take out all the Disney magnets and set them aside separately and sell them as a lot. And these, I believe all 50 plus magnets only cost me about $5. And these 4 sold for $16.91. I still have a bunch of other magnets listed. So if they sell, they sell. If not, I've already made my money back plus profit. So anything else after this is just going to be profit. And I believe the rest of the magnets I have them sold in one, or selling listed one large lot. I can't remember the total price, but I think it's somewhere around $20 for the magnet. So we'll see if it sells. If not, I'll figure out something to do with it. Next item is a Logitech M310 wireless optical mouse peacock blue. This was another Goodwill find. I found it for about $3. Factory sealed, brand new. This sold for $22.55 free shipping. Only cost me about $5 to ship out. Next item is another good sale, another good golf club sale. TaylorMade R7 3-wood 15 degree stiff flex with a Fujikura Reax graphite handle. This was another one of the clubs I found at that same church thrift with the last club. I paid, I think it was about $5.99 for this one specifically, and it sold for $50 flat plus shipping. The buyer paid $12.80 to have it shipped out. Next item, another golf club. We're going to see some repetition here. A Callaway XHot 10.5 degree driver. This is another one I found on Facebook Marketplace. A gentleman was selling it for, I believe, $75. I asked him if he would take $50. He agreed to that. Took $50, doubled it up into a $100 bill. They paid shipping. So all in all, I have that $50 bill in my pocket before taxes and fees are taken out. Next item is a Cleveland Mashy 18 degree hybrid club. This is another one I found at that church thrift. I believe this was approximately another $5.99 purchase. And this sold for $65.79. At the time, my store was either on sale or I sent out an offer. I can't remember which is why it's that weird 79-cent price mark. I believe I had this listed closer to $70 or $75, but the buyer paid $65.79 plus shipping, $13.90 to ship it out. So yeah, another, call it $6, $7 into a $65 sale puts just over $55 in my pocket. Next item, I wasn't sure about this one. This is an unbranded set of green and white fuzzy head covers, golf head covers specifically. So there was the 1 wood, 3 wood, and 5 wood, and then there's an additional head cover. I don't know what that symbol stands for. If it stands for something golf specifically and you know what it is, let me know, but I don't. But it was a set of 4 head covers. I believe I paid $2 for the whole group, maybe $3 for the whole group, and it sold for $20 plus shipping. Next item is a Vizio rear satellite surround sound small speakers. I was actually pretty impressed with these. I bought these a while ago and I just had them sitting around because for whatever reason I second guessed my research and looking up sold comps, and I just assumed they wouldn't sell that well. I believe I paid at most $10 for these. I think it was actually a little bit less, but we'll call it $10, $5 a speaker. And these actually sold for $47 plus shipping. So the buyer was all in $20.40 just for the shipping alone, plus the $47 for the sale. So I think these ended up only costing me around $13 to ship out. So that extra $7 is still in my pocket, plus the sale of $47. So I took at most a $10 bill and turned it into about an additional $40 in my pocket after all said and done. Okay, so the next item is a pair of Asics shoes. These are the Asics Gel 1150V men's volleyball shoes. These were another Goodwill find. I believe I found these for about $8.99, and these sold for $32.89 plus shipping, and only cost me about $9.50 to ship out. So yeah, call it 33 bucks. And I ended up only having to pay a grand total about 18 bucks out of pocket. So it's about another $12, $13 in profit after it's all said and done. Next item, this was a surprise for me. Anytime I see toys brand new, factory sealed, I get excited. And this happened to be one of those really great finds for me. It was a toy that I found for $5. It's an electronics game hub called the Ideal Mexican Train Game Dominoes set, ages 8+. Again, found this for only about $5 or $6, and this sold $50. Free shipping. I think this cost me right around the $9, $10 mark to ship out, so call it 15 bucks all in. Turn it into a $50 sale, so it's 30 bucks in my pocket before taxes are taken out. Next item is a pair of Nike Lunar. Oh, I think I misspelled the title, but that's okay. I think it's like LunarEpic or something like that, but I have it spelled LunarEpic. Not sure. Low Flyknit 2 running shoes. These are another Goodwill find. I found these for approximately $9. I might have paid up, so we'll call it $12 because sometimes my local Goodwill sells things for around $11.99, $12.99, and every once in a while I'll pay up for them. So if it was $12.99 on the high end, we'll call it $13. Free shipping, and it sold for $56.39. So again, even if it was 13 bucks, that's $43 before taxes are taken out, plus the cost of shipping. So I'm not going to complain about that whatsoever. Next two items I'm super excited about. These have been sitting for a little while now in my inventory, but I knew I was going to have a deal. So they're two separate sales, so I'm going to talk about both of these two in the same sale. It's a Dlink DCS932L wireless security home camera. I found the two cameras and a hub for 30 bucks, I believe, $24.99 to $29.99, somewhere around there at a Goodwill. I already sold the hub for about $45, so I was already into the profit. And then these two cameras sold to two separate people over the course of about 2 days, and they sold for $59.99 a piece plus free shipping, and each of them only cost me approximately $10 to ship out. So made some really good money on these two. I was super excited. So the more I can find these, the better. Brand new, factory sealed, amazing. And last but not least is a right-handed putter, 34-inch Warrior Custom Golf Signature Series mallet. This is another putter found for about $3.99, sold for $25 plus shipping, and the buyer paid $20.40 to have this thing shipped out because it's a little bit heavy, and based off of their distance, it cost them just a little bit more to ship out. So there you have it. 20 items that sold in my store over the last few weeks. Just an additional idea to give you a sense of what I do, the things that I find, and if you're interested about doing the same thing, go out and check it out yourself. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, like the video if you enjoyed anything about this. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.